Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Think UPSC Win UPSC. We are going to start a new series which will be very beneficial for UPSC and MPPSC aspirants or any student preparing for government examinations. In this series, we will cover class 6th NCERT Geography, the Earth Our Habitat chapter wise. The first chapter which we will start with is the Earth in the solar system. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. The first topic is the celestial bodies. The sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. So celestial bodies क्या होते हैं? Sun, मून और सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो नाइट स्काई में शाइन करते हैं उन्हें सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज़ बोलते हैं. नाउ डू यू वंडर व्हाई कांट वी सी द मून एंड ऑल दोज ब्राइट टाइनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम? इट इज़ बिकॉज द वेरी ब्राइट लाइट ऑफ द सन डज नॉट अलाउ अस टू सी ऑल दीज ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन द नाइट स्काई. सो हमें ब्राइट स्काई में ऑब्जेक्ट्स क्यों नहीं दिखते हैं डे टाइम में? क्योंकि सनलाइट हमें बाकी ऑब्जेक्ट्स को देखने नहीं देती है. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light which they emit in large amounts. These celestial bodies are called star. So कुछ celestial bodies होती हैं जो बहुत बड़ी और hot होती हैं. ये made up of gases रहती हैं. They emit their own heat and light in large amounts. These celestial bodies are called stars. Now next is the constellation. Various pattern formed by different group of stars. These are called constellations. Ursa Major or Big Bear is one of the such constellation. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is Saptarishi. Sapt is 7, Rishi is sages. It is a group of 7 stars that form a part of Ursa Major constellation. The North Star indicates the north direction. It is also called the pole star. It always remain in the same position in the sky. So what is a pole star? पोल स्टार को नॉर्थ स्टार भी बोलते हैं. ये इंडिकेट करता है नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन को और ये हमेशा एक ही पोजीशन पर रहता है इन द स्काई. Planets, celestial bodies that do not have their own heat and light, they are lit by the light of stars. Such bodies are called planets. So celestial bodies जिनकी खुद की लाइट नहीं होती, हीट नहीं होती है, they are lit by the light of stars. Such bodies are called planets. Now we see what is solar system. The sun, 8 planets, satellite and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. So what forms the solar system? The sun, 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies जो कि कहलाते हैं asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. The sun. The sun is in the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is about 150 million kilometer away from the earth. तो सन क्या है? सोलर सिस्टम का सेंटर है, बहुत ह्यूज है और एक्सट्रीमली हॉट गैसेस का बना हुआ होता है. इट प्रोवाइड्स द पुलिंग फोर्स दैट बाइंड्स द सोलर सिस्टम एंड द सन इज अबाउट 150 मिलियन किलोमीटर अवे फ्रॉम द अर्थ. Now next is planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. So हमारे solar system में 8 planets हैं जो कि in order of their distance from the sun they are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. An easy way to memorize the name of the planets in order of their distance from the sun is my very efficient mother just served us nuts. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed path. These paths are elongated. They are called orbit. Mercury is nearest to the sun. It takes only about 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Venus is considered as Earth's twin because of its size and shape very much similar to that of Earth. So they are telling कि all the 8 planets जो हैं वो solar system के sun के around move करते हैं. फिक्स्ड पाथ में, उन फिक्स्ड पाथ को कहते हैं ऑर्बिट. मर्क्यूरी इज नियरेस्ट टू द सन. इट टेक्स ओनली अबाउट 88 डेज टू कंप्लीट वन राउंड अलोंग इट्स ऑर्बिट. वीनस को अर्थ का ट्विन कहा जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स साइज एंड शेप इज वेरी मच सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ अर्थ. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. That is why its shape is considered as geoid. Geoid means Earth-like sphere. Conditions favorable to support the life are probably found only on the Earth. It has water and air, which is very essential for our survival. The air has life-supporting gases like oxygen. Because of these reasons, this is a unique planet in the solar system. From outer space, the Earth appears blue because of its two-thirds surface is covered by water. It is therefore called blue system. So what are they saying? कि conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on Earth. Also, it is also known as blue planet because two-thirds of the surface is covered by water. Now, Moon. Our Earth has only one satellite, that is the Moon. Its diameter is 1/4 that of Earth. It's about 3,84,400 km away from the Earth. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth. The Moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has neither water nor air. So what are they saying? कि मून एक सैटेलाइट है and its diameter is only 1/4 that of Earth. और मून में does not have conditions which are favorable for life. It has neither water nor air. Okay, next is the asteroids. Apart from the stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. So what are they telling is कि stars, planets and satellites के अलावा there are numerous tiny bodies जो कि move करती हैं sun के around. These bodies are called asteroids and these are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Now we will see what are meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated upon and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burnt, falls on the earth and create a hollow. So they are telling कि कुछ small pieces of rocks होते हैं जो sun के around move करते हैं, वो the earth पर गिर जाते हैं. They get heated up and burn when they fall on the earth. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes meteor, without being completely burned, falls on the earth, creating a hollow on the earth. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that makes the universe. This was all about the Earth in the solar system. Let me know in the comments section how you like the video. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for such informative videos.